Udvazoljuka Dormionu Zoldalan. Gerzani Ferenc Beshedet Bir Altaka Magyar Koztar Sasagaj Jasher Vezese Zakormanizati Reformak Miad. Biasmerdazert. Hazudika Valistas Alat. A law enforcement warning has been issued in Hungary. A protest is currently in effect in the streets of the country to assassinate Ferenc Gerzani and remove him from office brutally. The ringleader is 29-year-old Jackson Williams, from New York. All citizens must stay in a shelter until this threat is over.
This is a message from the Hungarian Republic and the Hungarian government. The protests have gotten
increasingly worse as our government is
almost
falling
entirely to an unknown empire. We are trying to stop.
Hungarian government is collapsing. The protests have grown to full riots in the capital city, and the president has been confirmed yet. Our regime is over. We have surrendered our territory to the Britannian Republic. This marks the end of the Federal Republic of Hungary.